Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to measure distance with Google Maps, and now let's dive right in. Now to measure distance in Google Maps, first open up your Google Maps application. And after opening your Google Maps application, guys, in order to measure a distance, first we'll be required to tap and hold on a point from where we want to measure the distance. So for example, I'll be just tapping and holding on this place over here for demo purpose. And when this interface appears, guys, you can see there is the measure distance option available for us over here just above the keyboard. A problem, tap on measure distance and this kind of point will be available, where in order to measure the distance you can go to the place or go in a straight line like this, or add a point if you want to, and again proceed further to a location like this. And with that being done, guys, this is how you will be able to measure the distance on Google Maps. So let's cancel this, let's try it on another place, and let's go back and let's pinpoint it on some place far, and let's go and point it over here on this road. And when this menu appears, let's scroll it up. There is the measure distance button available for us. Tap on it and let's start to measure the distance from over here like this, guys, by adding some points on the road. And with that being done, guys, you will be able to go farther that you like. And you can see, guys, the distance is 1.6 kilometer. And with that being said, guys, this is how to measure distance in Google Maps. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding a topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.